This is what's so exciting about running a small business. We launched something pretty cool over the weekend. These are called bed cap Gap Eliminators. And if you have a 4th Gen Tacoma 2024 to 2025, what this does is it sits underneath that plastic cap and reinforces it. So it's going to sit on top of the bed rail where our rail tie downs mount, and it's going to sit inside of the plastic cap, and it's going to give it a solid piece to sit on. I'm a 24 Tacoma owner too. I'm in the same boat as you. I hate looking at that gap on my bed rail just as much as you do. So I fixed it, you know? We put these up for sale on Friday, clocked out for the weekend, went racing with my son, and I came back this morning to 20 orders. I'm really pumped you guys want these for your trucks. That means a lot to me. It's really exciting to design something and see the market say, yes, we want that. Yeah, once you guys get these, install them, shoot me an email, let me know what you think. info@billettiedowns.com. I read every email, I try to respond to everybody. You know, if these don't work, let me know. I'll revise it, I'll send you a new version, I'll send you a refund. Whatever keeps the customers happy, whatever makes our trucks better, and whatever helps us with our product development. You know, that's what we're all about.